This is a test of the Dash Digital Series Chef Series blender. And I'm going to test the ice feature to see how well it crushes. I'm going to switch this over to crush. Then I'm going to hit start here and see how well it handles this ice. It stops and starts on its own. About 25 seconds left. Went on and stopped it. It's 15 seconds left, but you can tell it already did all the crushing it needs to do. And that's pretty dang good. Crushed it up nice and evenly. It won't even pour out. Let me see if we can get it. Show you a sample. Looks pretty good. Just nice and like a slushy. Pretty dang nice. I like it.